Hey guys, in this video, we are going to review the Shark Genius Hard Floor Pocket Steam Mop you can buy right now. If you want more information and update and pricing, be sure check the links in description below. So let's start the video. If you feel like you're fighting a losing battle against your hard floors, then why not take a look at this steam mop from Shark? Even though the head can be challenging to control, it's a bit shaky, and the pads can work themselves loose, it's a brilliant unit. It comes with dual-sided dirt grip pads to leave no mess behind and has touch-free technology as well. You can install the pad onto the mop without touching it. What a stroke of genius. It also has 3 steam settings, meaning you can use the low or medium ones for cleaning, and the highest boost setting for taking care of stubborn stains. It even comes with a range of accessories to make your steam cleaning experience as beneficial as possible. There's not a lot you won't like about this mon. It's competitively priced, has a sleek style, and is ideal for any home environment. Take the time to view all it has to offer before you decide it. Pros and cons: ideal for sticky and stubborn stains, powerful steam options, comes with a range of accessories, you can blast a stain with steam, sleek style, competitive price tag, and cons: the unit is wobbly. Do you like the sound of a steam mop better than that of an electric mop? We've got you covered. This one is a favorite of ours in that category. Designed for cleaning hardwood floors, this one is going to be ideal for your tiles too. It cleans softly but thoroughly, and the steaming system that's installed in it easily breaks up all kinds of dirt. Arguably, the best thing about this mop is steam blaster technology. You won't need to use detergent to clean your floors. The mop will generate a burst of steam which will then escape through the profiled mop head, dealing with grime and germs directly, and obviously, removing both. As this mop runs on water, you'll be pleased to hear that it has a sizable water tank of 220 milliliters. The mop head is equipped with a double-sided washable pad which is huge and covers a large area of your floor. There are 3 steam settings here that will guide you as you choose from a light cleaning to a deep clean. The steam that comes out of this mop is very targeted and acts as a scrubber for build-up messes. If we could have the perfect mop, we'd make this one a little bit cheaper. It would also be great if the water reservoir was removable and you wouldn't have to use a measuring cup to fill it. Alas, nothing is perfect, but we firmly believe that the small moment of inconvenience when it comes to refilling is worth the time-saving qualities of this mop. We recommend it if you want to be 100% sure you've dealt with every bit of dirt and bacteria on your tiles. You'll also be saving money on detergent.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Be sure check out the description the links, for final most up-to-date pricing and all the product mentioned in this video.